Hi everyone, my name is Alyssa Hall. I wanted to briefly go over the program that my partners and I developed called Happy Minds, Happy Learners. So it's about the influence of virtual learning on the mental well-being of adolescents with a focus on academic performance. This came out of most schools during the pandemic and still currently going to remote learning. And students are very disengaged. It's hard to pay attention in virtual classes and they are falling behind. So with our program, we decided to focus on the following areas. To equip and help students improve. We want to help them with academic performance. This is gaining community partnerships to give incentives to help students attend classes more regularly, to participate in those classes, and to overall increase their grades by helping them complete assignments and giving them those tools to help them be better students. We also want to help them with their mental well-being. A lot of students are spending a lot of time alone or at home without as much social interaction. It's not quite the same through a screen. So we want to give them tools for stress management and also mindfulness practices. So these things can include one-on-one conversations, talk therapy through groups, yoga, and then music therapy. And we also want to focus on self-sufficiency. So these would give students incentive clocks that would basically be timers, help them be on time to class, know how to manage their time better to get their assignments done. And then in the long term, we want to equip these students with stress management practices that they can long term implement into their lives to know what works best for them. We also want to help increase their leadership and to help them continue to grow and become student leaders and go out into the world and be able to represent themselves well. And we also want to help them build an academic toolkit to help with their overall academic performance throughout the rest of their high school career and for their colleges, and then if they go on to trades as well. So we really just want to give these students a way to succeed in virtual learning and carry those tools with them into their daily lives. So I hope that helps. I look forward to questions. Thanks and have a great day.